You can throw the other one.
Daddy, can we get the coconut chocolate so we can put in some marshmallow?
No, cannot.
No, because
chocolate will melt.
Aww,
It will melt, sweetheart.
it will melt.
Just don't approach it too much to the fire. Okay?
Your marshmallows are already burned.
Okay,
Right? Toasted.
shut up.
There you
I'm
go.
gonna take this out. Just so we get hot. Okay.
Ang ganda talaga pag mag-camp ka kasi napakatahimik. Ayoko yung camp na masyadong magulo. Gusto ko yung tahimik.
Yummy.
Mas maganda kasi kapag tahimik yung camping, makaka-relax ka talaga. Pero kapag magulo, nako,
The toast
mas feel ko yung tahimik na camping. Pero kapag masyadong public, parang madaming tao, ito okay lang.